Mix the raw chicken in tomato sauce, and you'll never want to do it any other way. And now pay attention here after you've put it in here. See, well, we're going to take these chicken thighs and we're going to put them here in a pan with oil. Done that, you're going to do this with all the others. Then we're going to take the rest of the ketchup and we're going to add it on top of the chicken thighs. So here, look how tasty. Now here I chopped an onion. It was a small one, and I'm going to put it here on top as well, like this. That's done. Now we're also going to add a teaspoon of crushed garlic, and over low heat. Here we're also going to put a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Here I'm also going to add some black pepper to taste. And a little bit of salt, also to taste, okay? And now we're going to add the water at room temperature. And we're going to add water until it covers the chicken thighs, okay? And now look, I'm going to add soy sauce on top. This is to give it a special flavor, and now I'm going to let it cook until the water is completely reduced. Guys, look, how nice it is looking now. They're cooked through, and now we're going to set these chicken thighs aside. Here I'm going to put these chicken thighs in a pan with very hot oil. We're going to fry them all. Look here, it's ready. This is very quick to prepare. And look how good it looks with ketchup. It's wonderful. Look at these guys. How crispy are these chicken thighs? And made with ketchup. Let's try it. But it's so good, guys. These fried thighs are divine. Now you have to make it at home. You too. I'm sure you won't regret it. This is very, very good.